Want to build a recommendation system but don't have much to code it? Today I'm showing you how to train a custom recommendation model using aicuflow in under 5 minutes. So let's get into it. So once you're logged in, just create a new flow. And we're going to do this using a simple template. First, head over to the node library and switch over to the templates tab. Here you're going to select the AI training flow. And now using these filter options, you can easily look for the model that you want to use. So I'm going to expand on all types and look for recommendation, which is right here. And now you could either just create the flow and input your own data. But for now, I'm just going to use one of these pre-made templates right here and show you how to do it for the movie ratings data set right now. So just click on create flow. Then you will be taken to the flow editor. And now you see that the work is already done for you. The nodes are already connected and the data is already selected. However, if you want to edit some parameters, you can easily just click on the train AI models and then change it in the input section or the setup section. But I'm going to leave it as it is and just run the flow right now. You can keep track of your progress right here. And once it's ready, you'll see a completed icon right here. Now you can simply preview your output. You could expand right here and scroll through the output. And another interesting feature is the plot section. So if you click on the plot dashboard, you can see the different plots generated for our dataset. You can also edit them according to your liking or create new plots. And that's just how easy it is. Feel free to try it yourself and check out the documentation for any questions or contact aicuflow if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching.